Blackwater, Wokingham and Reading. This is a security map. If you see something, the next station is Redhill. This is a Great Western Railway service to Reading.
I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Yeah, I'm cross. No, that's.
Hi, Pete. I know it's okay. Derek will come and get us there 12, and then Derek can just come down and sit. It's not going to go and come out, and then I'll just get my car.
Daddy, the announcements are making us. The people are making making me mad. Making me mad.
Okay, but just
help.
out all of your anger.
You can whisper all of your anger in my ears.
The people are making me mad.
Me too.
Yes, I'm making us both mad. I hate those mean trespassers.
Okay, me too. Like I said, should we calm down with a game of country?
I'm not going. Only if they say sorry to me. Only if I get an apology.
Yeah, look, wait now.
It's okay, Steve. It's okay, bestie.
Yeah. Only they only.
Sit down and we're on the train to Redhill. Should we sit up here? This is not first class. This is not.
Oh, sorry.
Right, then you can sit in the third seat if you want. Yeah, I'll just sit here then.
Okay, so do you want to play that game of tongue twister now?
Yeah. Well, I'm just.
Okay.
I'm on a roll right now.
What are you doing?
Making sure my channel gets the most likes.
Okay.
It's my game.
It's your what?
Making sure my channel gets the most views.
You're not going to upload your anger to YouTube.
I'm not going to upload my anger. I'm not uploading my anger.
Okay, but people can hear. Yeah, but the viewers can hear what you say. And you said that you're angry. So.
I'm not angry with with filming.
No. So, you know how people can hear like everything on YouTube?
Yes.
For example, if you said hi, they heard you. So, if you said I'm angry, like the people who are watching would hear that.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want them to get the wrong idea.
Okay, then don't post the video.
I know. I may not. I may or I may not. It's my choice.
Yep, it's fine.
Right? People won't know. Sound like.
You said